It definitely looks like a dress, a gown that's worn by a celebrity. I've seen it actually, a very similar version of it on Jennifer Love Hewitt, and wow, I mean the fabric is so silky, the jersey, it's beautiful. It's a mint condition, and I just love this bodice and the ruching and the corset sewn in. It's really beautiful. Very glamorous. And again, the fabric is just so slinky. It just looks so beautiful when you rock, and it clings to your legs and your body. It's a great shade of red too. Just bright red, celebrity. This is definitely a beautiful example of a vintage gown. Again, I love the fabric. It's just so slinky and beautiful and flowing. I love this extra glamorous detail up here. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. And here's the label. Made in London. Trina Lewis and Marjan Couture. Baker Street, I bet this place was. And here's the fabric content. So the bust measures 34, and the waist stretches. This thing stretches from like 26 to 28. It starts off at 26 and then it just stretches to 28. Okay, here is a really beautiful bombshell dress with a pencil skirt. This is one of my favorite cocktail bombshell dresses, vintage, that I've ever had. I mean, it's so amazing. The details, the fit, extremely feminine. And I love this waist. It's so pretty. And the bright red velveteen. Gorgeous.